frontier of industrial cleaning and surface preparation, brought to you by Polar Blasting Systems. Where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled efficiency, transforming the mining industry, one blast at a time. In the demanding world of mining, where every second counts and safety is paramount, Polar Blasting Systems pioneers with its revolutionary dry ice blasting solutions. We understand that downtime is not an option and that environmental responsibility is a mandate, not a choice. Unlike traditional cleaning methods, our state-of-the-art dry ice blasting technology offers a non-abrasive, moisture-free, and chemical-free solution. It significantly reduces downtime, extends the life of your equipment, and ensures a safer, cleaner work environment, all while protecting our planet. With Polar Blasting Systems, experience the power of cold to achieve extraordinary results. Our expert team, armed with the most advanced blasting technology, is ready to tackle the toughest challenges the mining industry has to offer. We don't just clean, we restore, rejuvenate, and revitalize your operations, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. Discover the Polar Blasting difference. Visit us at polarblasting.net to explore our services and see how we're revolutionizing industrial cleaning for the mining industry and beyond. Because at Polar Blasting Systems, we are not just blasting away dirt, we are blasting through barriers to innovation and efficiency. Polar Blasting Systems, where technology meets tradition to pave the way for a cleaner, safer, and more productive future.